This Math in Minute video is on solving parallelogram problems. So in this parallelogram below, solve for x. So the property that says each opposite angles are congruent allows me to set angle A equal to angle C. So we have 14x minus 6 equals 3 plus 13x. So I want to get x by itself, so I'm going to subtract 13x from both sides. That leaves me with x minus 6 equals 3. I continue by adding 6 to both sides, and my value for x is equal to 9. So solving for x in this parallelogram gives me the total of 9. This next slide is also solving for x. These aren't angles, but they're looking at the opposite line segments. By the property of parallelograms, I can set opposite lines equal to each other. So I'm going to do 3x minus 10 equals 20. So to get x by itself, I'm going to add 10 to both sides. And I get 3x is equal to 30. I divide both sides by 3, and my x value is equal to 10. So again, setting the sides that are opposite each other equal to each other, I can solve for x. And the value is 10. This next screen says, in the parallelogram below, find the measure of C. So again, I do have opposite angles that I can set, and then I'm going to use the consecutive angles or supplementary, which means that they would equal 180 degrees. So let's first start by setting 3x plus 13 equal to 5x minus 5. So I'm going to subtract the 3x from both sides, which leaves 13 is equal to 2x minus 5. I'm going to add 5 to both sides. I get 18 over here, and I get 2x over here. So that tells me my x, if I divide by 2 on both sides, is equal to 9. So the question says, what is the measure of angle C? So I need to plug my x back into either one of the equations. I'm going to choose the 5x minus 5. So 5, my x value is 9 minus 5, and that says 45 minus 5 equals 40. So my angle D is equal to 40. And since this is supplementary is consecutive to C, I can say 180 degrees minus 40 equals 140 degrees. So the measure of angle C is equal to 140 degrees. Again, that's based on the property, the parallelogram property, that says consecutive angles are supplementary. I hope the video was helpful. Please hit the like button. Any math topics you would like me to cover, please leave in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you next time.